noticed in this 2009 Toyota Tacoma. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes rear-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, an alarm system, power steering, air conditioning. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.